So today we're going to show you how to open a PayPal account. So you can either open a personal or a business account, and you can click on sign up or sign up here, either way. And then you choose personal or business account, and then I put in some details here earlier. So you put in your email and then your mobile number. Remember, they will send you a code so that you can confirm it, and then your legal first name and then your legal last name, and then you put a password, and it has to be 8 characters or longer, and at least you have to make it strong by using some capital letters and special characters. So let's do that. And I will try to do that. So let me see here. Okay, and then you can choose to stay logged in for faster checkout if it's your personal computer or up your phone. Under this, I have a privacy statement. You can read that. And then you click on next, and then they'll send you a code to your phone. So when they send you a code, you have to put in the code there. So when you receive the code, you put in here, or if you didn't, after this, it will just sign you in to the main area where you can customize. You can choose to add money through your bank. You can send money and you can receive money. And so if you want to receive money through that PayPal account, then you have to know your email. So you give the other person your email. And so you have to link a bank account so that you can withdraw money or receive money through that bank. Or you can also choose to get a debit card from PayPal. So add a bank account. So you see up here. So when you're on the main home page, you scroll down and you'll see add your home phone number, add your bank. So here you see the details. Click on see the details, and then so you'll have to search for the bank or choose from the options here if your bank is in the options here. So I see my bank here, so I can choose bank. So for instance, it's bank, and then you linking, so you put in your details for the bank, so your ID and the password, and then you agree and link. They will send some money to the bank, and then you will accept, and then you'll come back to PayPal, and actually you'll just get in your account, and then you come back to PayPal, and all they will withdraw either way. And then you confirm by putting in the amounts that they withdrew or they send in there, and this takes 2 to 3 business days. So you agree and link. If you want to link a different way, then it takes 2 to 3 business days. But either way, it takes a couple of days too, if you want, because they'll send some money in your bank, or they will withdraw, and then you'll come back in and put in the amounts that was withdrawn or was deposited. And that's how to do it. If you like this video, please click like and subscribe and click the notification bell so that you can be notified when we make new videos.